Hi, Rich Powers here from lynchburgit.com. I'd like to talk to you about a browser. What is a browser? What a browser is and how it works will help you understand the internet better. Most people do not understand a browser, how a browser works, and the difference between a browser and a search engine. I've put together here a short, high-level, easy-to-understand explanation of the most important and most used program on your computer, your browser. What is a browser? When we say we are going on the internet, most people open Google. Well, Google Chrome is one of many browsers that we can use to see information on the internet. The following are all browsers that all do the same thing: display websites. Installing a different web browser is free and safe. It's easy to get Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge confused as they are here. They look very similar and both come with Windows. This is Internet Explorer and this is Microsoft Edge. The purpose of a browser. To get a bit more technical, a browser is a program on your computer that displays, or rather interprets, a website or HTML file on your screen. An HTML or hypertext markup language file is created by web designers and placed on a computer or server so you or anyone can download the file to your computer so your browser can display the pictures and words for you. How the browser you are using displays the website file you downloaded depends on the following: what browser you are using, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox, etc. The version of the browser. Browser program code is constantly updated to keep up with the new technology. The display size of your computer. For instance, if you are using a 24-inch computer monitor, or if you're using a mobile phone to view the same website, it'll appear different. The capability of the display driver on your computer, or the resolution it is set to determine how the website is displayed. Any one of these can make the website look different to you than someone else. For the most part, web designers try to make the same site look the same no matter what. But most people do not understand that a website will look different on different computers. Problems. Sometimes a website will not display properly. You know you're supposed to be seeing something, but you're not seeing it. First thing you can do is clear your cache and cookies. What are they? Cache and cookies are ways data from websites is stored on your computer. The difference is the purposes. Cookies are used to store information to track information related to you, while cache is used to make the loading of web pages faster by saving images and other files. To delete your cache and cookies, get to the screen that you can delete your cookies. You can access this through your settings or tools. A shortcut for all browsers is the Shift, Control, and Delete keys all pressed together. Once you get to the screen, you select and press the button to delete. Once that is done, you could reset the browser by closing it down with the X at the top right corner and then reopening it. This quite often will solve issues. If you're still having trouble, try to open the website in a different browser. You can have more than one browser installed and working on your computer at the same time. I want to mention the home page here. The home page is a web page or file that displays when you launch or open the application browser. You set it to what you want it to be in the settings of your browser, or someone else does this for you. What it is not. A web browser is not a search engine. A search engine is a website that connects to a huge database that contains files of everything on the internet. Google's search engine is a database that is a list of everything on the internet. Google creates this list constantly with programs called bots that search the websites and collects the information. So Google search can be different than Yahoo search because they are different databases. So you want to look up kittens. You open up Google. This is a browser. The page it opens is a search engine interface. You type in kittens and press search. Google looks up in its database everything it has in its database file on kittens and displays the information it collected from the bots for you. You click on one and your browser is directed to the kitten's HTML web page file, which is displayed in your browser. This is a file that the browser is designed to display on your computer, phone, or tablet. As you can see, this can be a little confusing if you don't understand. My goal is to help as many people as possible, and so I have a favor to ask of you. If you found just one thing you think someone could learn or could be helped by seeing this tutorial, 3 seconds make 3 clicks. Like, subscribe, and share. Your friends' will thank you for helping them. Thanks, Lynchburg IT, your computer is your best friend.